Hi, everyone. I'm Rohan. I'm the founder of CommonAR. We're an AR-powered networking tool that shows you who's around you at networking events and what you have in common. You can wave your phone like a magic wand and see who's around you, or you start talking to someone and flip into selfie mode, and it auto-generates conversation starters based on both of your profiles.
We're breaking the no slides rule.
No, I'm starting now. That's it. No more slides. Okay, cool. Awesome.
Nice.
So I have an event set up, and if you're an accepted attendee at the event's location in the event's duration, then you're given permission to scan. So I'm going to enter the event. And if I'm in selfie mode, for example, it recognizes me. And I'm going to flip the camera and recognize Rajiv here. So it shows Rajiv. And so Rajiv put himself down as a founder, and it shows like founder-investor matching or professional recruiter matching. There's a stage match, sector match, and more importantly, it gives you an opener or questions for everyone in the room. Like for example, it asked me to ask him, what's the coolest AR product that you've seen on Product Hunt? How did you get into startups, and how does it shape your experience at Product Hunt today? What do you think about CommonAR given your experience at Tandem building serverless online tools? So just like that, any new kind of cold room you walk into, you can make the most of your in-person networking experience, and it's like a wide variety of tools of different sections that it's compared on. If you're curious on how this works, the baseline is your LinkedIn profile. So we could function as a standalone event platform, but we connect with Partyful or Luma, and just like you guys uploaded your LinkedIn profiles today, we automatically port from that and set up a profile so it works for everyone in the room without you needing to do anything. And if you want to go and add to it, you could download the app and you're immediately in. And then otherwise, everyone you run into at events is automatically added to your in-app contacts. You don't have to worry about remembering who you met where. And so in this case, it shows that I ran into Rajiv here. Yeah,
very cool. How can people download it if they want to try it out at this event? I just downloaded it.
Yeah, so you can download it right now. It's called CommonAR in the App Store, one word, and try it out here. And that'd be awesome. Yeah, go for it.
How far can a person be?
So within this range, kind of 2 to 2.5 arms length away, it works. We're continuously working on kind of moving farther backwards. We also are partnering with AR glasses companies. And I think that works even farther.
Nope.
Okay.
Not yet.
Well, I'll debug why that's not working.
We'll debug.
But yeah, so the baseline's based on your LinkedIn profile picture. So your LinkedIn profile picture is good enough to get a baseline of who you are, and we use that to get started. And by the way, it only works while you're at the event in the event's direction. Afterwards, all access is revoked. So, yeah.
Awesome. Last question? Anyone? All right. Yeah.
Yeah. So then it wouldn't work. But all it takes is for you to log in, create an account, and just take one selfie and put in a LinkedIn URL and you're in. And so, yeah.
Awesome.
Cool.
All
Thanks,
right.
guys.